Hi guys, I had been planning to make a video on this topic for so long, but somehow I'd been putting it off. So I thought, let me just speak out to you all about something which is very important. So, this is about how many of you all think that variety is the spice of life. I am sure we all think that we need variety in our life. I am also coming from a space where I used to believe that I should have variety in everything that I have to choose for myself, be it my dresses, be it my choice for restaurant, be it the places I want to visit, or buying gadgets. I always believe that I should have a variety of choices from where I'm going to choose, until I met a friend of mine who I observed very closely and who comes from a mindset that it's not that you need variety of things in your life to make choices from. We all need limitation of choices, and then he explained this thing in detail to me, and somehow after he explained the concept of limitation of choices, I started delving deeper into this and I realized that he was so right. So this comes from the idea that if you have we all wake up in the morning with a quota of willpower and decision making power. As and when we go about our day, we start expending from that quota. Like when you get up in the morning and get ready for your work, you open your closet and think about the dress you have to wear. You have expended from that quota of decision making, and then you come to your breakfast table and think about the variety of food you have and what you are going to make for your breakfast. You have expended from that quota, and from there you go to work. By the time you are going to make important decisions regarding your work, you will feel a certain kind of fatigue. That fatigue comes because you have already expended from that quota on deciding what you need to wear and also what you need to eat. So many successful people do this. They keep certain things which are always fixed in their life as very simple, like the kind of dresses they wear. They usually wear the same kind of clothes, or they have the same kind of breakfast for they have been having the same kind of breakfast every single day. This they do to keep their quota intact so that they can use them for important decisions with regard to their work or their life. And then I started thinking that is so evident in our lives that most of the time we spend time so much in deciding what to choose from a gamut of options available that we end up choosing nothing. Like in earlier days when we did not have so many channels on our TV, we would only watch Doordarshan. Now that we have the remote control, we keep on shuffling one channel another to another, and we end up watching 1 hour of TV without constructively actually watching anything. And then one day I observed myself, like before stepping into the gym, I thought I'll hear a podcast. By virtue of my old habit, I had subscribed to a lot of podcasts, and then I started shuffling from one to another, hopping from one to another. I just kept on shuffling without arriving at a decision on what podcast I want to hear, and I had already expended 15 minutes there. Likewise, you see, when you have to decide which school you want to send your child to, we will always surf a lot of options that are available. Then we will go from one school to another, and we'll end a considerable amount of time in deciding which school we actually want. So it is not that we should not have variety, but the thing is that there are so many times we end up being penny wise but pound foolish, because in our modern world, with all the fast paced life that we have, time is money. And if we are expending our time deciding on something and without any result, then we are actually wasting our time. So when you have limitation of choices, when you have limitation of the options that are available to you, you will make do with the options that are available for you. So in this sense, if you have a limitation of choice in what you are going to eat, what you are going to wear, where you have to go, what from you have to buy, you will see that you arrive at a decision more quickly, and you enhance your efficiency and productivity as well. And once you see this concept of being a minimalist, or being like not depending on a lot of variety, you will see how easily decision making comes to you. When you are mired with a lot of things available all the time, you will end up not choosing anything from the gamut of options available to you. And you can see that in every aspect of your life. You can see it in your personal life, professional life. When you have to decide anything for yourself or someone else, you will end up spending so much time in deciding it that you will ultimately feel a certain kind of fatigue in your mind that you have not arrived at a decision. So while variety is the spice of life and spice is good, but there are times when spice can also cause a lot of indigestion, and it can wreak havoc with your digestive system as well. So simplicity, limitation of choices, and sticking with certain things which are important can enhance your productivity, efficiency, and effectiveness in doing something. You can become a better resource for your own self, for your spouse, for your family, as also for the company or your workplace. So think about it. Do you really need variety, or do you need limitation of choices to make yourself a better human as also a better resource? Thank you, guys.